In this video, we will unbox the TRIOS 6 scanner and show you what's included in the package. Lift the lid to reveal the contents inside. At the top, you will find a QR code that links to a mobile-friendly installation guide. The foam insert securely holds the TRIOS 6 scanner and key accessories. The scanner is pre-fitted with a protective tip to ensure safety during shipping. Included in the box, you can find an autoclavable tip and charging components including batteries, battery charger, and power cable. The package also includes a scanner pod for secure storage and docking, as well as a wireless adapter. To access the documentation drawers in the bottom component, pull down the front panel and slide out the drawer. Inside you will find the safety and setup guide, cleaning instructions, and technical specifications. For more details, visit 3Shape Community or refer to the user manual.